The IFRS Foundation publishes 4 major publications each year. For most people, one book will suit their needs best, but choosing the right book can be confusing. Let's start with the Issued IFRS Standards. Some people call it the Red Book. This book is published every year in March. It contains the most recent versions of all issued IFRS standards up to the 1st of January in the year of publication. This includes standards that come into force in the future, but it does not contain standards that have been superseded or replaced. In the past, we have published an annotated version of the issued IFRS standards called the Green Book, or A Guide Through IFRS Standards. From 2018, this book has a new cover and a new title, the Annotated Issued IFRS Standards. However, the content has not changed. The Annotated Issued IFRS Standards contains the same content as the Issued IFRS Standards, as well as useful additional features throughout the text, such as extensive cross-references and reasons for agenda decisions. Now let's look at the required IFRS standards. Some people call it the Blue Book. It is published every year in January. It contains all IFRS standards required for accounting periods beginning on the 1st of January in the year of publication. It doesn't contain standards or amendments to standards with a future application date. We also publish the Annotated Required IFRS Standards. This book contains all the same content as the required IFRS standards, as well as useful additional features throughout the text, such as extensive cross-references and reasons for agenda decisions. The required IFRS standards is useful for people who need the standards they are required to apply when preparing financial statements. The issued IFRS standards is useful for planning and for those who need an understanding of both present and future requirements. The annotated versions of the standards include an extra layer of guidance from the IFRS Foundation's expert staff to help you apply and understand the standards.